SL Series Stack Light Monitoring Modules from ICP USA. The main purpose of managing machine status is to reduce the amount of downtime and production cost. The easiest way to achieve this is by installing an SL P6R1WF or SL PA6R1WF intelligent module from ICP USA, which monitors the output of the machine's indicators without affecting the operation of the equipment, thereby enabling the current operation stage of the machine to be mastered and ensuring timely command of the logistics system support in order to achieve production goals. The SL series is a stack light monitoring module with Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and RS-45 interfaces. It includes 6-channel DC-AC digital input and 1-channel relay output that can be used to monitor the status of the stack light of the manufacturing execution system machine. The module can be used to detect the status of each color segment of the stack light as being either off, on, or flashing. In addition to detecting the status of each individual color segment, the status of the combination of multiple color segments can also be defined, including the ability to report the duration of the previous and current status. This series has W-LAN connection. With the popularity of 802.11 network infrastructure, the SL series makes an easy way to incorporate wireless connectivity into monitoring and control systems. By integrating the SL modules into your system, it is easy to implement stack light status monitoring on a manufacturing execution system via SCADA software to improve machine utilization and throughput. The SL series also supports Modbus TCP and UDP protocols in a network encryption configuration that offers easy and safe access for users from anytime and anywhere. To learn more about our stack light monitoring solutions, visit our website at www.icp-usa.com.